Welcome to our sausage manufacturing tour. We'll track the entire process from raw meat to completely packaged sausages ready for distribution. Let's get started. The first step in the process is to pick high-quality pieces of beef. These pieces are inspected for color, marbling, and texture to ensure they satisfy high-quality requirements. The personnel thoroughly scrutinize the meat for signs of contamination or flaws. Once accepted, the meat is sliced into smaller parts to fit through the industrial grinders. Observe how the meat is ground. The initial grind results in a coarse texture, whereas a second pass through the grinder can result in a finer, more uniform consistency depending on the type of sausage being manufactured. This guarantees that the sausage mixture has a constant texture, which is important for both cooking and eating. Next, the ground meat is loaded into these massive mixers. They use a precise seasoning combination that may contain salt, pepper, garlic, herbs, spices, and, on occasion, other substances like as wine or cheese. The mixers make sure that the contents are evenly dispersed throughout the meat. This procedure is critical to attaining the ideal flavor and texture in each bite. In certain sausages, the meat mixture is emulsified. This step further incorporates the meat, fat, and seasonings into a fine, homogeneous mixture. This procedure is necessary for sausages such as hot dogs and bologna. Now we begin the stuffing procedure. Natural or synthetic casings are prepared and fed into stuffing machines. These machines fill the casings with the meat mixture, resulting in lengthy, continuous sausage. Examine how uniformly and fast the stuffing machines operate, ensuring that each sausage contains the proper amount of filling. After stuffing, the sausages are connected and split into individual servings. This procedure can be done by hand for artisanal sausages or using automated machinery for large-scale production. The links are twisted at regular intervals to form evenly sized sausages. Depending on the sausage, it may be cooked or smoked next. Cooking can be done in huge ovens to ensure the sausages achieve the proper internal temperature for safety. Smoked sausages are hung in smokehouses to absorb flavors from hardwood smoke, which improves their taste and preserves them. After cooking or smoking, the sausages must be quickly cooled to prevent bacterial growth and maintain their quality. This can be accomplished on cooling racks or conveyors in a temperature-controlled environment. Quality control is an important aspect of the process. Inspectors examine the sausage's weight, size, and appearance. They also conduct taste testing to verify that the flavor profile remains consistent. Any batches that do not satisfy the specifications are kept aside for additional inspection. Once cooled and inspected, the sausages are moved to the packing line. They are packaged in vacuum-sealed bags or trays to keep them fresh and free of contamination. This packaging also increases the shelf life. Each packet is labeled with the following information: manufacture date, expiration date, nutritional statistics, and batch codes. This marking is required for traceability and compliance with food safety requirements. Once tagged, the packages are sent to cold storage, where they are stored at consistently low temperatures to preserve their quality. Finally, the wrapped sausages are transported into refrigerated trucks. Maintaining the cold chain during transit is critical for preventing thawing and spoiling. These trucks will transport sausages to merchants, restaurants, and other food service establishments. It's amazing to observe the meticulous attention to detail and severe quality control methods in place to ensure that our sausages are both delicious and safe.